Snow from Maryland through Delaware up into Boston, Long Island area, New Hampshire, parts of southern Maine, getting some real heavy snow there, right in Rhode Island, Connecticut, and New Hampshire. Kind of getting the thick of it things here into Cape Cod, New Jersey, Jersey Shore, still seeing some snow down into Cape May area. And the storm system just about offshore there, kind of going to move a little farther north and then out to sea. So that's why they have all those blizzard warnings continued today for folks in the Northeast. Cold, though, and windy for us. That's what we're left with this system. And the hour-by-hour forecast, morning clouds will give way to some breaking into the afternoon and then becoming mostly clear tonight. Tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, remaining cold for us. Wednesday is going to be warmer, but there'll be a lot more clouds in the area, unfortunately. And then Thursday is going to be our next best chance for rain, and it looks like it's a really good chance to pick up rain Thursday. This is 8 o'clock in the morning, rain moving in, and then probably periods of rain right through the day again. So another soaker. That'll be gone by Friday morning, so there still could be some lingering showers heading into very early Friday, like around this time. 40s for the next few nights or days. Cold at night, 24 only tonight. We do start to warm up a little bit Wednesday, but more clouds. Rain on Thursday into early Friday. 60s for the upcoming weekend. Let's hope it stays dry. We had a couple of real miserable Sundays the last few weeks. I don't think that warm-up's going to last long. It looks like probably some colder air coming right back early next week.